Thousands of healthcare workers on the picket lines this morning. Welcome to CBS 11 at Channel 2, simulcasting on KCAL 9 and streaming on CBS News Los Angeles. I'm Sheba Turk. Well, Kaiser Permanente employees are striking across the state. CBS LA's Gina Patel is in Downey to explain what both sides are trying to achieve at the bargaining table.
Hundreds of healthcare workers are off the job. You can see some of them behind me. They've been here since 7 a.m. and they are full of energy. They say they'd rather be inside the hospital taking care of patients, but they believe this is the only way they can make sure patients get the care they deserve. The nurses, therapists, pathologists, and pharmacists who are now on strike are part of the United Nurses Association of California. The union says they've been trying to negotiate with Kaiser since last spring, and they even staged a 5-day strike back in October to push for higher wages and increased staffing. But they say no real progress has been made. Healthcare workers, they say, are continuing to burn out, many leaving the profession, and patient care is suffering. That's why they say it's come to this. Several nurses told us they're willing to sacrifice their own paychecks and walk off the job to prove to Kaiser how important they are and how they deserve a better contract.
Nursing, it's a grind. It's a young person's game, I'll tell you that. You know, I've been a nurse for 25 years, so I'm feeling it. It's a very physical job, and it doesn't get easier.
Last night we worked, and all of our patients were worried. They say that they were very scared to be in the hospital without us, because obviously they know that the nurses that are going to be there are not the regular staff and know our policy and procedures. So, you know, we're necessary.
The strike isn't just taking place in Downey. More than 31,000 frontline workers hit the streets this morning at more than 24 Kaiser Permanente hospitals and clinics across California and Hawaii, including Northridge, Panorama City, and East Hollywood. Union reps tell us they don't know how long the strike will last. No talks are currently scheduled, but Kaiser did send us a statement saying they are ready for continued negotiations. The senior vice president in Southern California says the company is already among the best paying employers in healthcare. We have proposed 21.5% wage increases, our strongest national bargaining offer ever, and we are prepared to close agreements at local tables now. Employees deserve their raises, and patients deserve our full attention, not prolonged disputes. Kaiser says they have brought in other nurses and clinicians so they can keep operating and treating patients, but they do say that there are some appointments and maybe elective procedures that might need to be rescheduled. In Downey, Tina Patel, CBS LA.